Welcome to Creative Bath Lab. My name is Dora and thank you for joining me today. Hello everyone! Today I'm showing you how to make Twilight bath bombs. These bath bombs are absolutely stunning. If you like sparkling bath bombs like me, you will love these. They're also really fun in the tub and perform great. Please read the description for the full recipe and substitutions. This is a wetter recipe. It has more wet ingredients than usual, and this is because of the type of mold that I'll be using. It's a Twilight bath bomb, so go ahead and add some sparkling micas. Slowly add the wet ingredients while whisking. Now mix the batch well with your hands. Divide the mix for multiple colors. Add 1/8 cup SLSa to the exterior mix. This will make the foam less vigorous and more lathery. I recommend using cool tones to match the Twilight theme. I also added extra sparkle to the interior mix for a sparkling and starry explosion in the tub. This is the Twilight bath bomb mold, which will be linked in the description. Coat the mold with mica for a sparkling exterior. Give each side one good tap to remove the excess mica. Place exterior mix in and make a shell. Add interior mix, filling it to the top, then pack it. Add loose mix on top. Subscribe now for more tutorials just like this and to show your support. Smoosh both sides together tightly and do micro twists, like short, quick vibrations while pushing the mold together. This will work out the extra mix so the mold can touch all the way around. You can use the jacket to keep the mold aligned. I prefer to tap without it. Either way, tap all the way around. Gently lift up just enough to see if the bomb is released. Put the mold back, flip it over, and do it again. You may have to fix a few areas, but they all came out great. I laid mine on a flat surface to dry, but a regular round mold would have been better. One of the top rules is never twist the molds together. So for the last one, I didn't twist or use any twisty vibrations. I just smooshed the molds together tightly. The pattern wasn't as good, and it was the only one to come apart in the middle. The point I'm trying to make is do whatever works for you. Some rules are meant to be bent or twisted. As you can see, the bath bomb performed well and it was really fun. I wish it had bigger bubbles in the center though. And by the way, to do that, just add 1 tablespoon of guar gum to the interior mix. The foam was gorgeous and the water was mesmerizing. The colors turned the water into a pretty purple. My only regret is I wish I'd have used more pastel colors rather than bright and bold. Quick shout out to Fizzy Fairy for sending me this neon magenta pigment, and I'm still waiting on that glitter. Wink wink. Remember to check out the description for important notes, updates, common issues, the recipe, and more.